What's up YouTube, and welcome back to another episode of It's Food Dude. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make some Easter Bunny cupcakes. So these Easter Bunny cupcakes are really cute. However, I've been told that they kind of look like cats. So this video is going to be how to make Easter Bunny / cat cupcakes. But they're so adorable. They have little whiskers and little tiny ears, and I really hope that you enjoy this video. And let's get started. Okay, so first I have my cupcakes baked. You can make them from scratch or you can use a box cake mix. I'm just going to be using 6 to show you guys how I'm going to be decorating these Easter cupcakes or cat cupcakes because they kind of look like cats. And then you're going to need some mini marshmallows, some black buttercream icing. You can get that from Hobby Lobby. I got a piping bag full of pink buttercream and a piping bag full of white vanilla buttercream. So I'm going to start with the open coupler, and then I'm just going to start in the center. And then I'm using like a handful of icing. You don't want to have all that icing in your hand. So I'm kind of squeezing it and then just tapering off the excess. So I'm going to start in the middle. I'm going to squeeze and then I'm going to turn my hand in a 360 degrees motion, and then I'm just going to make sure I have the perfect circle. So I'm going to show you again. I'm just starting in the middle and I'm squeezing towards that outer edge to cover my entire cupcake completely. So with our mini marshmallows, I'm actually going to be using quite a few of these, and then we're going to cut our mini marshmallows in a diagonal motion. Not straight, because you do want to make sure that it makes that ear shape. So I'm just cutting it diagonally, and then it'll make like the perfect ears. So these were a little small for the Easter bunnies, so you can use bigger marshmallows, but these do actually kind of look like cat ears to me. That's why I said like they kind of are like Easter bunny / cat cupcakes. But that's okay. So yeah, you can use bigger marshmallows if you want to. I'm just using these because that's what I had. Okay, so we have our white buttercream bag, and I'm going to be using a number 10 piping tip for the eyes and to pipe for the mouth. And so I'm just going to screw that on, and also we're going to be using our black buttercream to pipe the eyes. So I didn't have any buttercream bags, so I just decided to use a parchment bag, and I'm just squeezing that black buttercream in there. And then I'm just going to cut off an end to make a little tiny circle to pipe my whiskers and to pipe for my eyes. Okay, so now I have my marshmallow ears, and I'm just going to put them towards the top of my cupcake. I realized afterwards that it's going to be much better to add a little bit of buttercream underneath so that the marshmallow actually sticks, because when you leave your icing out for a while, it dries and then the marshmallows don't stick. So make sure you add a little dollop of buttercream underneath the ears. Alright, so now that we've finished that, I'm going to start piping the eyes, and I'm going to start piping near the ears. So they're going to be like 2 big eye dollops, and then I'm going to start piping like the mouth area, and then I'm going to put 2 smaller dots underneath the eyes. So then I have my pink buttercream, and we're going to use that to pipe the little nose to make it look like a little bunny or a little cat, and it's so cute. And with that pink buttercream bag, you want to make sure you have a number 3 or 4 tip. And then I'm also using that icing to kind of detail my ears so it looks more like a bunny. Now with the black buttercreams, we're just going to fill in the eyes. And I'm just going around in a circular motion and making them super big, because I think the bigger the eyes, the cuter. But you don't have to make them as big as I do. And then with the same tip, I am going to pipe the whiskers alongside the nose. And here's the final product. Thanks everybody for watching. If you like this video, give it a fat thumbs up, a juicy thumbs up. You can comment down below. You can subscribe to my channel and do all that good stuff. And happy Easter. Bye.